Hi, as you can see today I have a very big padlock for you guys. It's a bicycle lock probably, I have no idea. It's an ABUS one. It's with this very long shackle. I think this is like some kind of an old model, very rusty one. It's not that rusty, but it is, and I put American 1100 just to compare it and to see how big this one is. And I do have kryptonite bicycle lock, so you can see it's even bigger than this one. It's shorter, it's a longer, but it's like the shackle. I think this is the biggest kryptonite, I think, or the longest one, the longest shackle. Maybe there is a bit longer, but this is very long. It's an interesting pick. The key I will show you. Let me move it. I don't know how to. This is the highest that I can get. Hopefully you can see the ABUS here on my camera. So ABUS, and it's a riveted laminated padlock. And on this side, oh, this is going to be very tricky to show you. It's ABUS Lock Germany, and here's the model number 52/110, and it's gesch something. I don't know if it's in German or not. And the keys, it's not the original one. And even the key is rusted, so it's a 5-pin, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, interesting bidding. The fourth and the fifth one are very short, and the third one it's long. It's working very nice. It's locking on two sides. Here's the shackle. This is pointed and pointing things, and here's the ABUS that I was trying to show you. And I don't think I tried to shim it, but it was impossible. Even these are wanted to move, but not enough. When I try to move them, it's like the key is moving. Let me show you. So the key is turning a bit. So hopefully you saw that. Like key, it's moving. But if I remove the key, then it's like a bit harder, and it's not going to completely. Oh, it's very hard to see this. So the locking. My lighting, it's so bad that it's unbelievable. So it's I was unable to shim it, and even if I try to lock it while the key is out, it's impossible. Maybe it's rusted, maybe it's something different, but it's impossible to lock it. So I need the key. So if the key is in, then it's very easy to just close it. And I'll try to pick it somehow and show it to you. I don't know if there are security pins in this one, but I will try my best to somehow hold it. And let maybe move my camera a bit so you can see. I don't know how to hold it, and I will try my best to pick it and not block your view. So yeah, let's start. It's a 5-pin lock. 1 counter rotation, probably spool, click. 2 same, click. A 3 click, counter rotation. 4, I don't know if I can reach 4 and 5. 4 small click. 5, it's like it's not binding. 2, 3, I think 3 it's back. I overset, I think, number 3. So now let me try to pick 4, counter rotation, small click from 4, or it was 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, now 5. I don't know if I can reach 5. Wait, come on, move up. I need space, so I don't know if I no. Hopefully the tension tool will hold. Now 4, I think. Count rotation from 4. Click and nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 5. I think I overset something. I think it was 4 and 5. Yeah, I think it's open. Yeah, we are open. I don't know, it's very hard to see. My lighting is so it's bad, so it's a tricky pick, to be honest. I think or at least 4 of them are security pins, and of course I cannot disassemble this one. So yeah, it's an interesting pick. I think it's a very old padlock, but it's a very cool one, and I'm glad that I have it in my collection. Sorry for the lighting. I think it's a bit tricky for me to hold it and to film this one. But yeah, this was the ABUS Come On Focus 52 110 ABUS bicycle lock gesch something picked. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.